Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're in the game. Start by pressing options on your DualSense to open Fortnite's main menu. Once the menu appears, use L1/R1 to move to the gear icon and enter settings. You want the Display/HUD tab. This is where the only in-game screen size controls live. Make sure you're on a controller profile, not a keyboard icon. Don't stop here. The next slide walks through the actual slider and apply step you must use to change the view. Now adjust the HUD scale or safe zone slider using the D-pad or analog stick. This changes how much of the screen the UI and play area use. Move slowly and watch live preview so you can see edges of text and build prompts shift. Once you hit the size you want, press the Apply button. Don't just back out. Applying commits the change to your profile. If the preview looks off, nudge the slider 1 or 2 ticks until UI elements are finished by confirming Apply, then exit settings and test in a match or creative map to ensure the screen size feels right. If nothing changed, quit Fortnite and relaunch so the new HUD values load correctly. If you still see cropping, verify Ps5 system screen and video display area settings. Use that only to tweak TV overscan after game settings. One troubleshooting tip. Corrupted prefs sometimes block changes. Reset Fortnite settings to default and reapply the HUD scale. This clears stuck values and lets you set the correct screen size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.